This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn off email notifications from your Pinterest account. I'll be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have my browser opened up and I am logged into Pinterest. To turn off email notifications on Pinterest, what you want to do is go up to the little arrow in the upper right hand corner. Click on that. Then you'll go down to where it says Settings and click on that. Then in the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Notifications. And then right here by email, pick which notifications to get by email. You want to click on Edit. And then right here, turn off all. You could leave on the email notifications and pick and choose what you want to be emailed about by clicking on these arrows. By clicking on these check boxes here, unchecking these boxes. Or you could just turn them all off by clicking here. Then you go down to the bottom and make sure you click on Save. Now my email notifications are turned off for Pinterest. That's how you turn off your email notifications on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.